What up, what up, what up, what up? This is the stock market boss here, chiming in with my first video. Recently I started a little group chat and I had a few of the people on there ask me about how to trade options on Webull. It's a little more of an intricate platform than Robinhood, so I figured I'd make a little video, show y'all the process of how you would actually go through trading an option on Webull. And that's that. I'll be making a video once a week, or sometimes a little more. If you got any questions, definitely hit me up in the comment, and don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button as well. So yeah, with that said, we're going to hop into Webull right now. And as Webull pops up, I'm just going to pick any option to go through the process. So we'll go with Amazon since it's on the top of my list. And we will click on options. And at the bottom, you'll see both calls and puts. We'll just select calls as is already selected. And we'll just pick 26.80 strike price. We're not going to execute. We're just going to run through the process. As you see, it has the green rectangle around it. That means that's the one that you selected. At the very bottom, you'll see an expiration date, June 26th. Hypothetically, if you want to change the expiration, you go at the very top. All the dates will pop up. You'll pick the date that fits you best. We'll just go back to June 26th for example purposes. Click on trade, and then you'll see the strike on the left-hand side, the expiration on the right. You'll see your order type. You'll see the price of the option and how many contracts you're purchasing. If you want another option that's not listed, I'll hit the back button. The last option they have that's listed is $2,700. If you want an option that's not listed, let's say you want a $3,000 call, click on that $2,700. And as you see everything, you just hit this over button right here until you get to the strike price that you want. So we'll say 3,000, and then obviously you see the price change. From there, you would hit buy. Obviously, the market is not open right now, so it's not going to go through. But once you hit buy, that'll pretty much be the final process, and you getting your option approved, your option accepted, for the price that it is. So it's pretty much that simple. That's how you buy an option on Amazon, and it would be the same exact process if you were to buy a put. You would just select puts, and then the prices were the same. It'll go up to $26.55 or down to $26.55. And if for whatever reason you would like a strike price that you don't see, you'll click on the put, click on trade, and you'll just go down, hit the arrow down, and let's say you want $25.50. Then you have the $25.50 put option for the 26th of June. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video is informative. I hope somebody can learn something from it. This is the Stock Market Boss. I will holler when I holler.